What's up, old school homies? Welcome to today's finds. These all came from today. I actually looked on top of the vacuum cleaner at work and it looked like people were picking out things that they found inside of the vacuum cleaner. And mostly people just look for change in the vacuum cleaner, but they probably saw these and they were like, these are interesting, so they took them out and they put them on top of the vacuum cleaner. And you know what happens if Trav sees anything like this. This is right up my alley. So let's discuss our silly finds here from the vacuum cleaner. We have Jesus. And who is this? It's an angel. These are not silver. These are just cast. This one actually has like Jesus and I think, what is it? A goat? I can't tell what it is. Anyways, let's go into that diamond over there. That's a cubic zirconia. I tested it under black light. That's what you do. If it fluoresces, it's a diamond. It would usually be stamped as a 14 karat gold or whatever karat gold. You could usually just tell by the setting if you have a diamond on your hands. If it's a gold setting, it's probably a diamond. So when my setting had no stamps on the sides of it or anything, that was an indicator. Always look at the quality of your setting, and that will tell you the quality of the stone. It's very cool as a zircon. It has tons and tons of flash and no flaws, and that's exactly why I could tell it's not a diamond. But always check under black light. We have a freshwater pearl inside of a kind of a kala lily setting. This is stamp 925 China, meaning it's silver. We got some glass. We got some really cool glass faceted beads. I like that red one especially. Glass faceted beads. That black one's cool too. You can tell they're glass by the way they clack. Vintage marble. This is a very weird marble. Very vintage. We have the amethyst, purple amethyst. It's a lighter one. It's not a crystal point. And this hematite, if you don't know anything about hematite, it's pretty cool. It's a magnetic rock. Now, hematite is actually somewhat rare in this grade. It's not expensive, but polished out and stuff. They make jewelry out of this stuff, and if you get a whole bunch of them and start clacking them together, you'll definitely start appreciating them. You can make a whole necklace if you had a whole bunch of these. Hematite is a very cool stone, and to polish it out and stuff, that was a good find.